Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel. And I've had this doll for, I think it's over a week, to be honest. And we have been so busy and this, that, and the other going on that I haven't even opened it. So let's get her out of here. And I'll tell you what I'm thinking on her. I asked for this doll and Darren made it so. I love it when he does that. I am a bit spoiled. I bought Venus McFlytrap. I think she is a really cute doll. I am thinking, well actually I was thinking that she was Poison Ivy. You know, just in my mind they had done Poison Ivy wrong. But actually she's very cute for Venus McFlytrap. But I had an idea and we'll see if I go ahead and do it or not. And that is to dress her more like Poison Ivy and see how she comes out. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
I love the little plant creature.
You like that?